Welcome to Weston. Do you want to know more about the beautiful, exclusive, wealthy, bucolic town of Weston, Massachusetts? It is a straight shot west from downtown Boston. Stick with me and I'll tell you that and more. Be right back. Weston's a small community in the Metro West area of Boston and on the perimeter of the metropolitan Boston area. The town of Weston prides itself on a quiet, country-like setting and excellent school system. Weston's what I would call a wow community. It has the most beautiful rolling hills. Everyone has a lot of land. There are some smaller homes that might be in the $800,000-$900,000 range, but generally they're in the millions and multi-millions. But you have rolling green land around you. Beautiful land, a very good public school system, their own cable TV station with lifestyle art and music programming with local residents performing. Currently, Weston's redesigning the center of town. It's been, I believe, 200 years since anything was changed. Now, the town hall is very large with columns, and in front of it is a huge greenway, and it's almost like a little bit of a bowl. It's flat, but it's lower. Currently, Weston is redesigning the center of town, the sidewalks and improving the pedestrian access to the downtown area, tiny as it may be. The Town Center Improvement Project is the first opportunity in over 100 years since the design and construction of the town green to enhance the quality of the town by addressing pedestrian and traffic safety. So there'll be more parking availability and an opportunity for a variety of public activities. This will be the largest road construction project in Weston's history. Weston has the Jericho Forest. They have their own forest. It's 90 miles of trail, so there's a lot to do if you want to get out of the house and take a lovely walk in nature. It's 1,800 acres of forest and trails. The taxes in Weston are the highest in the state of Massachusetts. Weston's per pupil expenditure of $25,000 are now 27% higher than comparable affluent districts, or $5,000 per student relative to other wealthy Boston towns. So they spend $5,000 more than other wealthy towns in Massachusetts. Weston has a luxury retirement community, Maplewood Place. It offers independent living, assisted living, memory care, and respite care. It's full service and it's beautiful. And if you're from Weston and you want to stay in the area, it's a nice choice to have. Or if you want to bring your mom or dad from somewhere else, it would be nice to have them nearby. The home of Regis College. Regis College is a private Roman Catholic university run by the Sisters of St. Joseph in Weston. Regis was founded as a women's college in 1927. And in 2007, Regis became a coeducational college, and it was the last Catholic women's college to start admitting men. Now, I've talked about the beauty, schools, great schools, taxes, and cable TV. The library is spectacular. Here's the prices on buying a home. Though it's beautiful, the residents that review Weston, usually younger people, complain about absolutely nothing to do for a teenager. Not many businesses, restaurants, shops. Pretty much have to go to neighboring towns for any restaurant, movies, and social fun. The lowest price home right now is $895, and the highest on the market, spring of 2021, is $11,950,000. As I was doing the driving tour, large pieces of land between homes were being cleared to build another house. Now, one thing about Weston, the diversity of architectural styles. So you will see colonial revival, federalist, Greek revival, Italian, Queen Anne, and shingle style. So it's quite a beautiful town to take a ride in. So whether you decide you're going to live in Weston or not, it's a wonderful place to take a ride, maybe on a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and go to the Jericho trails for a hike. It's a Massachusetts, it's part of the Massachusetts network of outdoor trails. Hope you enjoyed this. I would love you to subscribe or give me a thumbs up, like. And if you have questions about Weston, please feel free to just leave me a note in the comments. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.